Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install some libraries and package if you are installing Anaconda on a desktop machine and you want to use the GUI application, which is Anaconda Navigator. Use the following command. Download Anaconda script installation. Verify the data integrity of the script by using the next command. Make sure the hash printed from the command above match the one that is available at the Anaconda website. Run the script to start the installation. Press Enter to continue. You will be asked to approve the license terms, so type yes as follows. Also, press Enter to accept on the installation location. Once the installation is completed, the script will ask you whatever you want to run Anaconda in it, so type yes. Activate the Anaconda installation by loading the new path environment variable into the current shell session. If you installed Anaconda on desktop system, open the Navigator GUI by entering Anaconda Navigator as follows. Anaconda will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.